Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create and install the Facebook ad pixel. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please make sure you smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this great video you're about to watch. So guys, first of all you need to do is to go to your Facebook business manager. So to have access to your Facebook business manager, all you need to do is to come over to your Chrome and then type Facebook business manager. So I'm just going to go ahead and then click on this. Great guys, I'm going to click on this. So guys, here I have my Facebook ad manager. So what I'm just going to do is to go ahead and then click on settings. So under settings, I'm going to go ahead and then click on business settings. So it should open a new tab. So guys, we are currently on the Facebook business settings. All you need to do is to go ahead and then select an account you want to create the pixel for. So I already selected an account which has the Facebook page I want to create the pixel for. So I'm just going to click on this and then go ahead and then click on data source, and then I'm going to scroll down and then I'm going to click on the data sets. The old way of creating Facebook pixel is by clicking on pixels, but now we have the modern way of doing this, which is an upgrade on Facebook business. All you need to do is to click on data sets, and then you can be able to manage all your Facebook ad pixel in this section. I don't have a Facebook ad pixel yet, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be setting up a Facebook ad pixel for my website. So first of all, I'm just going to click on add. So I'm going to go ahead and then create a data set. So it says create a new data set. This helps you keep track of activities your business care about, so you can better target audience and help improve performance. Very important whenever you're running a conversion ad or you're sending visitors to a landing page or to a point of sale on your website. So I'm just going to name this as new data sets. I'm going to go ahead and then click on create. So guys, I've successfully created a new data set. If I want to add more and more data sets, I'll just go ahead and then click on add to add more data sets to my Facebook ad profile. So this is the unique data set number which I can integrate on my website or wherever I want to use it. So it's more like the Facebook pixel ID. So here we have it as the new data set ID, guys. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and then click on open event manager. So guys, here's the event manager. So over here we have overview, text, event, diagnosis, history, settings, and then we have the new pixel or the new data set which we've just created. So here we have send events from a server. I'm going to scroll down and then here it says gather website event from browser activity. It says send events and parameters from a website using a meta pixel code snippet, and this is what I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and then click on set up meta pixel. Then I'm going to click on install code manually. So it's going to give us a code which we are going to paste in the header of our website, and here we have the code. I'm just going to go ahead and then click on copy code. So guys, all I need to do is to go ahead and then copy this code and then install this in my cPanel. So I'm going to go to my cPanel. So I'm currently using an Hostinger account, and this is my Hostinger account. So I'm logged into my Hostinger. I'm going to click on public_HTML, which I'm going to locate the index.php of my website. I'm going to right click and click on edit. So I'm going to go over to the head tag and then paste this code here, guys. Great guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and then click on save changes. So changes has been saved successfully. I'm going to come back to my browser and then continue, guys. So the next thing it says is turn on automatic advanced matching. I'm going to leave this turned off and then I'm going to click on continue. So here it says how it works, use event setup and so on. I'm going to click on go to pixel overview. So guys, I've successfully installed it. I'm going to go back to my event manager and then come over to text events. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to confirm your website event are set up correctly. I'm going to scroll down and it says run a test. So I'm going to go ahead and then put the website URL. So guys, it says events may be delayed. Text event appears in wait time, but it may take up to 30 minutes after you set up your event to see it in your analytics. Let's assume because we had uploaded our manual code on a cPanel. So probably maybe the reason why the text result is being delayed. But there's no doubt that we've successfully been able to install our ad pixel on our website, and we've successfully been able to connect it to our Facebook ad manager. So guys, this is basically how to set up your Facebook ad pixel to your website. If you know you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give this video a thumb up, smash the subscribe button, like this video and share so that other people can benefit from this video you just watched. Guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.